So question 8, we want to draw the graph of this function between -2 and 3. So our x values, our function f of x equals -2x squared plus x plus 3, and we're going to get out our y values. So part A is all we're looking at first, okay? So part A. So when x is -2, we get -2 times -2 squared in brackets -2 plus 3. And use your calculator every time. So you have -2 bracket -2 close the bracket squared plus bracket -2 plus 3. And we get equal to -7. Okay? Now continue on in that manner. When x is -1, -2 times -1 squared plus -1 plus 3 is equal to 0. When x is 0, -2 times 0 squared plus 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. When x is 1, -2 times 1 squared plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. When x is 2, -2 times 2 squared plus 2 plus 3 is equal to -3. And when x is 3, -2 times 3 squared plus 3 again plus 3 is equal to -9. -12, sorry. Okay. And we're going to draw this on a graph again. Okay. So I'll just double check the last one. -2 times 3 plus 3 plus 3 is -12 for you. Okay. And now we're going to draw our graph. Okay, so it's mainly minuses, so I'll give loads of room down below. We have our x-axis, we have our y-axis. We're going across -1 and -2, 1, 2, and 3. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, 11, -12. Okay, and now you're going to plot the points. So we start with -2 down to -7. -1 and 0. 0 up to 3. 1 up to 2. 2 down to -3. And 3 down to -12. So you join your graph to look something like this. No ruler and joined neatly freehand. So that's the graph. F of x equal to -2x squared plus x plus 3 between -2 and 3. Now, part B. We have to answer some questions based on the graph. So part B here. The x-axis represents the time starting at 1 o'clock and ending at 6 o'clock. Okay? So this is going to be 1300, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 1800 hours. So that going across the x-axis is going to be the time. And the y-axis represents the temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay? So now, let's use our graph to estimate the temperature at 4 o'clock. So at 4 o'clock, the temperature was about 1 degree. So part 1, 4 o'clock, 1 degree Celsius. Part 2, the times when it was -7. So we go down the temperature. It was -7 at 1 o'clock. So 1300. And go across -7, and it was -7 at about 5:30. So 70 and 30 also. Okay. And for part 3, the number of hours which the temperature was above 0. So here are your minuses. So it's above 0 here. Above 0 to below. So that's going to be 1 hour, 2 hours, maybe 2 hours and 15 minutes. So part 3, 2 hours and 15 minutes, it's above 0 degrees. Okay? Above 0 degrees Celsius.